this is how to show you to make the big time in the easy way with this game, Tumblr Federation, with a game named Matchmaker. Okay, now you just go onto the page first. Go find the one that you have with, yeah, like this, and change the page into like this. Make the page like this. And also, if I was wrong and the page was black and the page is this. Okay, now. Okay, now. His eyes are this, and if you can't just go here in this side, his nose is just like with lock on it, and his teeth, his mouth are just like this. And now put a cell on it and go in tab 12 and it's 12. And actually put the name on it, the big file. Okay, now it's that easy and look at how the same is the big size is. This is what we put. Okay, now thank you for watching. Hope you like your new mask, the big time. Okay, you also need to flip so you can save it. If you want to save it, just click on the XPS file. Okay, now I'm going to delete the other one because it's incorrect. Click yes. Okay, and go to your file folder. And there you have the big file. If you print it, you can just make it as your mask. Oh, thank you for watching.